Hi, I'm going to show you the basics of using Box. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser of choice and go to box.com. In the top right corner here is a login button. Click that and then type in the credentials that have been provided to you. So you're going to type in the email, click next, and type in your password. And go and click login. Once you've logged in, this is Box. So I'm going to show you a few of the basics of using Box. To create a file, you click this new drop down here. And in here you can create anything you want, from a folder to a Word document or even a Google Doc. If we click on the Word doc, it's going to ask us to name it something. So we're going to name it Test. And click Create. And then it's going to launch Word. So Microsoft Word is going to open, and now we can edit the document. Once you've done your work, all you need to do is save by hitting Command S or going to File, Save, and it'll save it in Box. So now we can just close the document and it'll save it in Box. And we are going to click refresh. You've just created a document and learned how to save it in Box. If you want to do the same with a Google Doc, you can do that. It's the exact same procedure, just new Google Docs. And as long as you were logged into Google Drive with the same email as your Box account, then you should be able to edit the document without any trouble. Now, if you want to edit something about the document, you can do that in Word by opening it up. You can double click it and Word will open and it'll be the same thing that we were just looking at. But say you want to change the name and you don't really feel like going through Word. Well, you can hover over the name and this pen will show up. And, well, it says rename. So click that and you can rename the document. So we're going to rename this to Test Document Renamed. Hit Enter or plus the confirmation button and it'll rename it. You can also click this More Options tab to open it in Word or Google Docs or Word Online. You can share it, upload new version, add to favorites, move or copy, change some properties and things. You can do that all from here. You can also access this menu by right-clicking on the document. Now, say you don't want to open a document, but you just want to see a preview of what it is. You can click the name, and it'll open up a preview. Now we can click the X here and get out of that. If you want to move a document somewhere, you can drag it into your folders over on the side. Or if you select it by clicking any of the white space next to the document, then you will have options to tag it, to email it to someone, to download it, move or copy, or put it in the trash. You can even upload a new version if you want. If you want to upload a file to Box, simply drag it from your computer into the Box window. It'll upload, and it's right there. Or you can click the Upload tab and select File or Folder, and then just find it in your computer. Now you know all the basics to Box. If you need help, have any questions, or want to learn more, you can go to box.byu.edu, where they have helpful resources for learning about Box and troubleshooting any problems you might have. All right, that's it for me. Good luck with your time with Box.